This is the video for week 5 credit assignment. In this, the objective of week 5 is to integrate MLflow into the Iris MLOps pipeline for experiment tracking, model versioning and artifact management on Google Cloud Storage while decoupling model tracking from DVC. Now, firstly, I have created some codes and uploaded in the MLOps GA1 data bucket as week 5 folder. In this source, you can see some codes, and then I have started the instance which we have created in week 1, and then open the SSH terminal and copied the week 5 folder from the MLOps GA1 bucket to this terminal by this code, as you can see. And then you can see that we have created the folder week 5 and goes in it, and then you can see all the codes and folders are present in this, which are created in the MLOps GA1 data bucket. Now we will activate the virtual environment, upgrade the pip, and install all requirement from by the requirement.txt file. After installing it, we will check if our connection is connected to Google Cloud successfully or not. It is already connected. That's why I have copied my week 5 folder, but we are checking it again. And then we can updating our system, and then installing the screen to run the MLflow server. Now running the screen as MLflow, new terminal is open in which I have run MLflow server backend store URI SQLite home user mlflow.db artifact root is mlops data1 MLflow artifacts, host is localhost and port is 5000. After running it, I have run this code in my laptop, in my PC, as you can see, and then this terminal is open by accepting the connection. As you can see, my laptop is connected to the Google Cloud Storage, and then we have created MLflow test file and run it. As you can see, run is completed 3 times, accuracy is 1. Now I will go in the MLflow UI, and here you can see week 5 test experiment, dazzling coach. All 3 tests are present here. Now after this, we will check if MLflow artifact is updated or not. Here you can see it have all the files present in it. MLflow artifacts or ML model, conda.yaml, model.pkl, all 3 test, all file for the all 3 tests. Now I will go outside from the week 5 to my main folder, and then clone the GitHub for the week 4 to do the another thing for week 5. As you can see, the model tracking, decoupling model tracking from DVC, and so I have cloned the week 4 GitHub file, as you can see, and then go cd iris dvc pipeline to go in that folder. VMV is already activated, so we have installed all the requirement from the requirement.txt file again, and then after installing it, we have updated the train Python file and test validation evaluation Python file. We will push it into the GitHub, and I will show you, and also I will update it in the zip file. Firstly, I have run it, so I face a error that my data path is not correct. As you can see, the data.data CSV is not present. Then I checked in this, then I see that there is data.csv.dvc. It is which means that the data is not pulled from the DVC. So I have pulled the data from the DVC but I have not installed the DVC-GS, so I have installed the DVC-GS and then pull the data from the DVC, and then my data is pulled and here the data.csv is present. Then I run the train Python file, and as you can see it is running, and in this we can see that IRS pipeline experiment is present. Awesome Panda 326 21 minutes ago. Now I forgot that I have already run the mFlow UI, so I tried it again, but as you can see it is giving me an error because my pydantic version at root validator error, because my pydantic version is high more than 2, that's why it is giving me error. So I downloaded it and again run it. Then I remember that my port is running on the my mFlow is already running on the 5000 port. So then we have run the test validation and evaluation file. As you can see 100% everything is passed, warning summary, and 4 passed and 2 warnings. Now we will update this in the GitHub file. So add script and commit. I have not logged in it, so it will want me to log in it. I will show the code here. Already we have updated train.py and the test.py. Here you can see my test validation and validation py. In this we have created 4 tests, and then there is train Python file in the folder. Wait a second. In the folder, okay, I will check by CISL test. Yeah, it is in the scripts. It is in the scripts. Okay. You can see that we have imported the mFlow and given the path correctly, and then do splitting the data, training the model, and then here we are doing the mFlow tracking setup. Everything is done. That is for all from my side. Thank you.